Hello everyone, welcome back to the previous question paper discussion. Today, I'll be discussing the previously asked COHAS Prosthodontics RPD short notes. So moving on to the first short note, that is survey lines. For this you have to refer chapter 23, surveying, page number 351. So first define what is survey line and then mention about the four types of survey lines, that is medium, diagonal, high and low. Second question is Kennedy's classification of partially edentulous arches. For this you have to refer chapter 20, that is classification of partially edentulous arch in Rangarajan, page number 268. Explain about the class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4 Kennedy classification with diagrams, and also mention that the class 1, class 2 and class 4 are tooth and tissue supported prosthesis, whereas class 3 is fully tooth supported prosthesis, and also draw the necessary diagrams. Third question is Applegate's rule governing Kennedy classification of partially edentulous arches. For this you have to refer chapter 20, classification of partially edentulous arch, page number 269, and you have to write about the 8 Applegate rules for Kennedy classification. Then principles of class design. So for this you have to refer chapter 21, component parts, page number 310, and you have to write about the 6 factors, that is retention, stability, support, reciprocation, encirclement and passivity. You have to mention in detail about the 6 factors. Rest and rest seats in RPD. For this refer chapter 21, page number 301. First define what is rest, then define rest seat, and then write the 9 functions. Also draw any one diagram, that is either draw an occlusal rest or an incisal rest or lingual rest. Then next question, that is stress breakers and cast partial denture. For this you have to refer chapter 24, principles and design in Rangarajan, page number 363. So first write about the stress equalization. So there are 3 philosophies that drive the design process of RPD, of which the first one is stress equalization. So that is what is called stress breakers, and then also mention the types of stress breakers. Next question is occlusal rest. So for this you have to refer chapter 21, component parts. Occlusal rest comes under rest and rest seats heading, and then first you have to define what is occlusal rest and give the other characteristics about the occlusal rest. Also draw the diagram. Next question is swing lock partial denture. For this you have to refer chapter 30, page number 427. First give an introduction on swing lock partial denture and then write the indication, contraindication, advantages and disadvantages. Next is precision attachment, that is for that you have to refer chapter 47, page number 702. Write what is precision attachment, then also tell that they are the intracoral attachments and they are interchangeable and also manufactured with tolerance under 0.01 mm. Next question is minor connector. So first define what is minor connector, then write the function and also the classification, that is the 4 types: clasp assembly, indirect retainer, denture based minor connector and approach minor connector. Functions of indirect retainers in RPD. For this you have to refer chapter 21, component parts, page number 321. First define what is indirect retainer, then write the primary function and another 5 auxiliary functions. Then advantages and disadvantages of gingival approaching clasp. For this refer chapter 21, component parts, page number 316. First define what is bar clasp and then write the different types of bar clasp, that is T clasp, then modified T, Y clasp and I clasp, and write in detail about each. Then combination clasp. For this you have to refer chapter 21, component parts, page number 308. So first define what is clasp, write the 2 types of clasp, that is circumferential and bar clasp, and again classify the circumferential clasp, that is combination and cast circumferential, and write in detail about the combination clasp. Prosthetic mouth preparation for RPD. For this you have to refer chapter 25 mouth preparation, page number 370. So first define what is mouth preparation and then write the classification of mouth preparation, that is general and the specific preparation, and then also mention about the procedures involved, which is there in the form of flow chart in the textbook. Then clinical errors in denture insertion and rectify it. For that refer chapter 28 denture insertion, page number 407. So first write about the denture insertion is the last step in the process of RPD, and then write about the 5 factors, that is the inspection of processes, and then checking the fit of denture base, checking extension, occlusal correction, and adjusting the retentive clasp. Write the subheadings under each. The next question is surveyors. For this you have to refer chapter 23 surveying, page number 337. So first define what is a surveyor, write the types of surveyor, parts of the surveyor, and the uses. Lingual bar. Lingual bar you have to refer chapter 21, page number 293. First write a small description on lingual bar, then write the disadvantages and advantages and indications, and also mention about the sublingual bar. Components of class assembly, it was already mentioned. So the 4 components of class assembly are rest, retentive arm, reciprocal arm, and minor connector. Then define major connector, discuss the different types of major connectors. For this you have to refer chapter 21, page number 285. So first define what is a major connector and then write the classification, that is the maxillary and mandibular, and write each type of maxillary and mandibular major connectors. Then complete palate major connector. For this you have to refer chapter 21, page number 291. So give a small description of complete palate major connector, then write the indication, advantages, disadvantages, and also draw the necessary diagrams. So that comes to the end of the ProSo question paper discussion. If you feel there is any topic or question that needs to be discussed, please let me know through the comment section. Thank you so much.